Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Today, let's make something special, something fancy. Let's make chicken roulade. Let's begin. Chicken roulade is basically flattened chicken boneless breast, which then gets filled with a mixture, gets rolled up, which is a roulade. So let's first begin with marinating the breast of chicken. Well, I personally prefer storing meat in a zip pouch for two reasons. One is because the material is food grade, and two, it locks in all the smell of the meat. I'm going to marinate the boneless chicken breast in the bag itself. For this, I'll be adding in some oil. Let's add in some salt. To this, let's add in some chili flakes. I'm going to follow this up with juice of lemon. Let's add in some oregano. And finally, some freshly cracked black pepper. Let's marinate this well, lock it, and keep it in the refrigerator to marinate for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes. What I'm also going to do is pull out spinach leaves. Well, I personally prefer storing my leafy vegetables in a zip pouch because it retains freshness longer. Let's take in a few leaves of spinach and keep the rest for later use. Let's chop this up roughly. While you're doing this, let's also turn the flame on and heat a wok on high flame. Let's begin with adding some oil in the wok. We're not going to use too much because eventually it's a stuffing and you do not need it oily. Swirl the oil in the entire pan, and the first thing that goes in is some crushed garlic. Saute this on high flame, and this is immediately followed up with chopped onions. Once the onion and garlic are both sauteed, let's add in chopped spinach leaves, and this is immediately followed up with some seasoning. Let's add in some dried oregano. Let's add in some chili flakes, followed up with just a touch of salt, and finally, freshly crushed black peppercorns. Let's give this a good mix and allow the spinach to cook on high flame for precisely 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes and the spinach leaves are well cooked. Let's now crumble in cottage cheese or paneer. Let's give this a good mix. And with this, of course, the flame. Allow this to cool down completely to room temperature. While the mixture is cooling down, what I've done is I've taken the piece of chicken which was marinating earlier. Let's pull this out nicely. And we need to open this up like a butterfly. This technically is known as the butterfly cut. Once the chicken is cut into butterfly cut, the next one is to tenderize it, make it nice, soft, and kind of spread it so that it becomes a surface for making the roulade. This zip pouch is open from one side, but we need to open it from 3 sides like so. We need to open it like so, place the breast of chicken, cover it up, and tenderize it using the back of your knife. Well, since I'm doing this with several years of practice, primarily it's always important to have safety in the kitchen first. You could use any object. The whole idea is to make sure the chicken becomes nice and flat, something like this. The next step is to scoop in 2 spoonfuls of the filling and place it right in the center. We need to spread it like so, ensuring that the chicken does not tear, because the breast at this stage has become extremely tender. The next step is to roll it like so, and this is known as a roulade. Well, now that the first roulade is rolled and ready, let's move on to the second one similarly. The next and final step is to heat oil in a flat pan. Let's transfer the chicken roulade carefully into hot pan. While the chicken is frying on one side, we need to carefully lift it and turn it over like so. After 4 minutes of cooking, we need to transfer this onto the serving platter. And this now needs to be sliced and served as hot as possible. With this, our chicken roulade is done and ready. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Get Curried.